Hi, I'm Sveta from FounderPal. We create tools that help founders with marketing, and today I'm going to show you how to use our free marketing problem solver. This is a free AI-powered tool that will give you 10 solutions to any marketing problem. First of all, go to FounderPal.ai and find Marketing Problem Solver. All you need to do now is to describe your business and describe your marketing problem. Let's say I have an unlimited design agency, and my problem is low landing page conversion. Solve my problem for free. In just a couple of seconds, I got 10 ideas on how to solve my marketing problem in different ways. I recommend treating these ideas as marketing experiments and try every idea that marketing problem solver gave you. What I liked the most is that this tool gave me 10 different solutions to one problem. My problem was landing page conversion, and it suggested me to work on my landing page, to work on interactive elements, pop-ups, and also gave some examples how I can do it. Also, the tool suggested me to work on my social proof to improve trust, and the tool offered me some optimization tips. And I also got some ideas on limited time promotions and live charts and support. So even if I don't like one particular idea or I don't know how to implement it technically, I can always use another idea that this tool suggested to me. Go to FounderPal.ai and try to solve any of your marketing problems with marketing problem solver.